Man.
I beg.
What?
I don't go again.
Huh?
Hey. Allow people, Lord. I beg, help me. Make with this.
What's the meaning of this, man?
I beg, make we rest more. I don't tire.
Hey! We never even reach the road half. You say you don't tire. We never reach half, man. You say you don't tire.
All those people with them were cousins.
Never reach, oh.
Man. I want rest, man.
Come, make I tell you. Maybe you talk, say anywhere where I go, you go follow me. Say you won't marry me. Anywhere where I go die, you go die for there. So when you come make it the talk, man.
Die.
Now.
I talk him before.
Yes, now.
I no talk him again.
No talk him again.
I talk him before, say anywhere where you go, I go follow you. But I'm going to die, yeah. Come out for me, I no take that lines again. Anywhere where you go, man, where you die. What if you go die where grand no level? So I go come follow you die, I no die.
Get up, man. Let's go, man. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
Make we rest more, man.
Shut up your mouth. You don't reach this place. They call man. We don't already reach the village now.
Man.
Now.
Okay, man. Rest.
Okay. Kai. I'm over. Ooh. Now this small way just carry. Now they do all this rubbish they do. Carry this thing more come out for you. Carry more come out for you, man.
All this bra.
Shut up. They talk man. You don't enter the village. They say man.
Oh.
Man.
Carry
load, man.
Carry your own, man.
Say man.
Load, man.
What's up, nigga? Man.
Man.
Correct. So you carry the load. I'm back and call is back, man. You see the swag. See the swag now. Do now. Exercise. You call it? I carry it. I'm happy.
Yes, man.
Carry the load, man.
Man. Ooh. What, man?
I go see help you. Hey, they come, man. Move, man.
Hey, man.
Santos.
They come, man.
Now, wow, what if they carry that way? The way they say he won't die today, tomorrow. Like this. See how they do. What if they inside the bag where they drag like this? Oh. Hey, never sit down. Santos, come, make I tell you. Shall you remember everything when I tell you? Make you not forget our plan, so. You there, yeah? As I tell you now, so make you take down, don't forget. We are carry bag.
Wait, make all this your village people where I see for road. Make anybody no try insult me with Igbo language. If anybody try
shut up your mouth. You a Chris. No say you be mumu. For this village, nobody must know you as an Igbo person. You know what they tell you? Nobody must know you as an Igbo. Anybody will talk to you for this village. What I want to hear now? Yo, man. What's up, man? How you doing, man? Are you cool, man? All those things, man. Now I want to hear for your mouth. Now everybody want to hail me. Say, I don't come from Obodo Ibo. Now you won't come from my hand. Don't try, Ambo. If you try, I will choke this man this side your eye. Carry this entire side for me.
God no say no be America will go. Now bomb with the wrong for. Now bomb.
Yeah, up your mouth. So you know who happy say we survive from that bomb blast come here? You want to they use your mouth to talk something. Die iska. Idiot. Oh, I can't look at anything they tell you. Anything that they do not be done. Say, yo, man.
You, man.
How you doing, man?
Do you, man?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Shut up your mouth too. Up there. Yeah. You no go do one way. Carry bag and house.
Wallahi tallahi. When you ask again, I don't get you. Wallahi.
You be mumu? You no get sense. If anybody calls you for this village, you use this thing where they talk or you go take us and go see yourself. Idiot. Or somebody just tell you say Chineke Kpogoku, you answer and go see yourself. Carry this letter for me.
You go hard though. Go hard, oh.
Eh? Go hard. No better make you know how to.
Go hard, oh.
Yo, man! Yo, man!
Bag, man. Ah.
I like it or not, they talk the men, they go. Carry out now! You don't feel hold back. See the way it is.
It's right here, man.
God. Just darling. My love. Now here you did.
My baby.
Correct.
What's up, man?
I just did Jerry, man.
Yeah, man.
How you doing, man?
Washing my clothes, man.
You know I love you.
And I love you too.
So I'll do anything for you.
Yeah. Yes, I know. Even me, I go do anything for you. I even fit die for you if I like. Oh.
My Santa's boy.
Yeah.
So help me wash this cloth, eh? This white them. It's my white pants them. I won't make you help me wash them. In short, I won't make you help me wash all of them. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, I love you too.
Yo, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
You see, I go do everything for you. Even for this hot sun, I could do one. Anything you want me to do, I could.
Oh, you said no Safi do anything for you now.
You give me that one.
Why they talk so don't be you get some man?
Even for this hot sun.
Hi. Who else we share with?
Shake your yard in your man.
Hey.
Man. You see, if I finish washing this thing, I will come inside. My dad, man.
You don't get problem.
Come here. You go give me.
What for you? Anyhow, any style, any house.
For this sun.
Hey. Oh yeah, now
Hey,
start to wash.
Thank you, man. See, as it don't be like this, I go like if I finish washing this thing, come inside, come finish doing the one I go do inside. If your body don't cool small, I go like make you carry me, come walk out the whole village. No say since you come now, so hide me inside. I want make people see my swag and carry me walk out.
You no get problem. Now only that one. I'll carry you around all the whole village. We are start with the wash.
Okay.
But I beg, it is very important. Concentrate on this side here. Correct. This side, you know women now. Concentrate on this side very well. This side, yeah. This my bra. You know women now, the way they do. Make you concentrate on all this side, this corner. Wash her well, my sweetie boy. Make a shower now.
Only women. Thank you.
My baby boy, my lucky boy.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, babe. This one na 7 yards. About 10 people pants. Now in they take so one person. You think come with this one? So now come up. I sent. Hey. Hey, listen, Nemo. Oh, hey, this one big man. Otondo. Oh, this one, they see when she they cover this one. Because I say she they wear them for heat period. The period do the hot, man. Oh, kabana. Hey, women when I get wala. Which one I go start with? Hey, Lisa Lay, le pen mo. Space the tea well. This place go need the soap. Here's the soap.
You, man. How you doing, man? How you doing, man?
If I say you never tell me, just return.
No. No. What's up, man?
Auntie, I beg, eh? My name no Okute, Stone, Okute, Kume, that's
Whatever. Whatever. So how you doing, man?
Fine, if you don't say you never tell me, you just return.
Yeah, I just came back some few days ago, you know what I'm saying?
I think I don't know, say you don't come.
No, I never know.
Hey, make I go tell her.
Why you they talk like this now? No, make him see me now. But I saw him some few days ago, you know? Yeah.
Auntie, who be this one?
Oh, my nigga, my boy is my
I'm her fiancé,
correct.
Her husband.
Fiancé.
Fiancé.
Hey. Auntie, this one, I wanna have a go. Why you gonna have it? Why you no do a surgery before you carry and come?
Just say yo, say yo.
Yeah, I'm about to pass it. I'm over the bar.
Okute. Start going, man. Start to go, man. Yeah. Start to go. Start to go. Yo.
Auntie, this is your husband there.
Let's go.
You see, and they tell you say your village people go insult me. Wallahi, tallahi, I know
Shut up, you my dick, Chris. What they worry you now? If they go see where they talk now, they can't talk so waiting. If they just they talk, anyway they talk, they make you curse, you say you're like, they say yo. They go job. Master your mumu now.
Sanchi buro, wallahi man. Wallahi, but you buro,
I go just kick.
Hey, what can't you?
Your Igbo husband, they don't kill him. Sika, don't kill him.
Sika for where?
Come.
For where?
Come.
Sika. Hey, Sika. If I catch that Sika, I will deal with him. What kind of rubbish is that? Can you imagine what he did to him? Oh God! Shut up,
Because I don't get handle. If they my hand, they okay. Oh, you go see. I go finish them.
I said catch that Sika.
But auntie, take it easy.
If I just thank God. If I get handle. Oh,
Sorry.
Calm down for me.
Sorry. Hey, auntie, but auntie, take it easy now. Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. See they go. Thank you, yeah. It's gonna be today. I wonder what for happen to her.
I forbid me. He better thank God I no see am today. He say no, because of my hand way no good. He kill am today.
Shut up, you still get mad. They say men. Come on, Sika, you know if you fight me there, they talk say men.
I forbid am. If not be that thing when you forced me yesterday, make I do to you yesterday night. I can't do all the strength today, my body don't finish. If say that strength today, man, what did I do, man?
Shut up your mouth. Mumu.
Thank you, man.
Out there.
Yeah, man.
I'll go pour water for you.
My head, I think I don't kill me, oh. I think I would lie, don't you bro, I see one lie.
Go.
Come back here, man. Idiot, man. Stupid you, man. Fuck you, man. So you don't hear the sleep. So you don't hear the sleep. Now listen, I have come to warn you. Never ever, for one day again, you try to touch me. Sorry, man. If you try it, man. Hey, man. Man, do you hear me? Do you hear what I just said? I get hot temper. I carry so many weapons come back to this village. I get AK-47, AK-48, AK-46, plus AK-41. If I... Oh!
You.
Man! This can't be the way you beat me! This can't be the way you beat me! I just leave you because if I handle you, you no go survive am.
So you...
Man!
You.
Us!
Come spoil my dream. My dream. Wedding. Unmarried wedding. You can't spoil am. You can't spoil my dream. And you get mouth. Come this place. Come they shout. You know the height of the damage we cause? Dream where I don't dream. My marriage dream. Now you get mind. Come this place, come spoil for me. And you know the fear. You tell me say you get AK-47. You get all the whole ammunition. Strength, liver carry you. Come this place. You know what will happen? Relax. Sit down. Make I go inside, come. We go settle this matter now. Here now. Yeah? Just carry seats down. No come out. We go settle and...
Idiots. Now you know say you go beg me. Fuck you, man. In fact, you are a bullshit, man. Chideka, walk on, man. You think I play with you? Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? You came to this place, you had effrontery to come and disturb my dream. The child dream that I was dreaming. My wedding dream. You came to this place to come and destroy my dream, and you had effrontery to come and be talking to me anyhow. You told me you came with ammunition, AK-47, AK-58, all the whole ammunitions. You would have stood this place and I would have chopped off your hand. You already have one hand though. I would have taken off the other one. You had effrontery to be talking to me anyhow. You spoiled my dream. You call yourself Americana, but I'm going to tell you that I'm from home also, and nobody can threaten me. What I have in my pocket here, by the time I brandish it on you, you will not have a life to live. You already have human being. Dead human being, you are an imbecile. I would have shut down to you now that you wouldn't even have mouth to talk. You took my wife away. You took my uncle away. That wasn't enough for you. You came to my dream, my wedding. You came and obstructed my wedding. Second, I forgave you. Now you had your effrontery to come to my house in my dream, where I was sleeping, to come and obstruct my sleep. I would have so dealt with you now. I would have killed you and buried you alive in my own. I go to court and answer query. I would have so killed you, useless idiot. You came to my house to come and warn me. Look at you. When human beings come and warn me, you too urchin. Goat, you come to warn me too. Rat, you come to warn me. Useless. Hey. See dream, why don't they dream now? For my wedding. This boy won't come spoiler. To go back for this dream now, my problem. Let me see what I do. Oh, dream be like network. If you come out, you don't come out. To call him back now, to useless. No worry. We go see. For this village.
You know the shame. Come on, your fellow man, see what your fellow man do for you. You know the shame, oh, shame no dey your eyes.
Oh, I try you know they there. If you say you there, see the kind beating why I give this man. I beat him, You could man. As I can't tire, man. Yeah, better don't know. Come hook me for neck like this, he won't kill me. As I can't tire, if not, this hand, small thing.
Alright, shut up your mouth, Jare. You do am now, you carry your wound. This kind wound everywhere, full all your eye. So you try. What will make you try?
Instead of you to they hear me, they to me go, say in our. No even appreciation is coming from you.
Come make I tell you. All this way they talk so na English they speak. Hear wetin I wan tell you. The day I've been telling you, any day when anybody go speak Igbo for you for this village, you answer them that day. Wetin I go do you? Wetin I go do you my own? You see all this wound wey you carry? This one na small one na part 1 be this. If you see my part 2, e go too bad. You dey so e go bad for you.
I dey try you. I dey try you. One person go just dey na to you man. I dey try. You suppose to... No play again.
Idiots.
We thank you for watching all our productions. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for making us feel very important, because without you there will be no us. I and Sister Mangi, we put hands together to say thank you very much, and we promise to always make you happy. We promise to always knock at your door with something that will interest you. And again, I want to also tell you that if you want to watch more of our programs, you can get it or you can just type Chief Imo's Comedy on YouTube. Ganime YouTube, Therefor, Chief Imo's Comedy. You get all of our work. And I want to also tell you that every Friday, we'll make sure we update something that will interest you. Thank you and keep watching us. As you keep watching us, we'll keep also making you proud. We'll keep making you happy. We'll keep making you feel, feel at home. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye-bye.